This is the gold bar out of the casting plant in a 585 rose gold alloy, ready for pre-rolling. We start by preparing the machine, placing the bar in the roller and then pressing it together in several steps. This cold molding process strengthens it, usually compressing it to 15 to 20% of its original thickness and instead causing it to become longer. Now thickness and width are being measured. Here are some examples of different color variations. In the next step, we map out where the bar will be sectioned. This allows for different sheets to be rolled to various thickness for the blanks. By alternating between heat treatment and cold molding, we achieve a high density and viscous hardness. The art here is to get the ratio between both exactly right, so that on the one hand the hardness can reduce scratches and wear marks, and on the other hand we can achieve a firmness in which the material can still be altered, for example in width.